What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over BTC. Currently sitting at 61.2, down 0.27 on the day. Market cap, 1,206 billion. 25 volume, 21 billion. So if we pop to the chart, came right down to our pullback zone, we're starting to see a reaction. So if we are going to see a bullish move, you want to see a break of 62.5K. And then we can look at a bullish scenario. Until then, we're still in a corrective downtrend. If we roll over, then you'd want to see a bounce from this zone. If you start to break the 78.6 at 59.3, that's when things can get bearish and we can continue to come down and create a lower low. But if we do end up pushing up and break that bullish level, then we can see a nice bounce to the upside. We caught a nice short on Gala on the way down. We also caught another Gala trade just before that, and we're in a turbo trade. You can gain free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. So that's what to look for. We do have a double top on the weekly chart. So if that neckline gets a clear break, obviously things could get more bearish. But as of right now, we came down to that neckline. We're pushing it back up. So we'll see how we close on the weekly and if we're able to bounce, because if that neckline breaks, then you could see a much deeper pullback. Of course, anything is possible. Do I think it's the higher probability? Not really. But anything can happen in the crypto space. So that's what I'm looking at. Break of 62.5, bullish continuation. If we roll over, you want to see a bounce from this target zone. And if you start to break the 78.6 at 59.3, it increases the probability that you're going to come down and break this low and create a lower low. That's what I'm looking at for BTC. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. You get 10% back on every single trade on your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. After you've signed up, make your first deposit, $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms for life, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals, Forex analysis. Yeah, completely for free. If you don't want to go the BITUNIX route, all you have to do is sign up to through the Patreon, $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.